Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 50 practical, office-related conversations in Japanese. These short, useful phrases will help you communicate naturally in an office setting, perfect for travelers, professionals, or anyone learning Japanese. Let's get started. Ohayo gozaimasu. Kiwa o genki desu ka? Hello, how are you today? Haukokusho wa owarimashita ka? Have you finished the report? Sono fero omrudi okot itadakemasu ka? Can you send me that file via email? Juji ni kaigiga arimasu. We have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Kaigishitsu wa doko desu ka? Where is the conference room? Kono shorui o insatsu suru hitsuyu ga arimasu. I need to print this document. Kopiki ga ko shoshetimasu. The photocopier is out of order. Denwa ni dete itadakemasu ka? Can you answer the phone, please? Joshito hanasu hitsuyu ga arimasu. I need to speak to Jinvai supervisor. Koko ga anata no desuko desu ka? Is this your desk here? Kaigino sukchuru o mimashita ka? Have you seen the meeting schedule? Bunbo guwa doko de michukarare masu ka? Where can I find the office supplies? Kono yu ubin wakyuda sa nakareba narimasen. We need to send this mail today. Pasuwaado o washrit shimei mashita. I forgot the way password. Kono so futo no tsuka ikata o oshit itadakemasu ka? Can you show me how to use the software? Wi-Fi ga tsuka imasen. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Purinta ano kami gatarimasen. We need more paper for the printer. Juyo na projekuto ni torikondimasu. I'm working on an important project. Kono shorui ni show me shite itadakemasu ka? Can you sign this document? Present no John B. Oshimasu. I'm going to prepare the presentation. Erbita wa maintenance desu. The elevator is under maintenance. Kyukei chuniko ohi o nomi ni ikimasen ka? Do you want to grab the coffee during the break? Joshi ga anata ni ay tagatimasu. The boss wants to see you. Shimekiri o mamura nakareba narimasen. We must meet the deadline. Otiarai wa doko desu ka? Where is the restroom? Juyo na denwa o kakinakareba narimasen. I need to make an important call. Gokyoryoko arigato gozaimasu. Thank you for your help. Gozenshu azuto kaigi desu. I'm in meetings all morning. Kono kaya kusho o minao so hitsuyu ga arimasu. We need to review this contract. Kurayanto kara atarashi mirugato dokimashita. I received new email from our client. Pasoko no apudieto ga hitsuyu desu. The computer needs an update. Watashi no pen wa doko desu ka? Where is Jin's pen? Shizute mo ni Monday ga arimasu. There's the problem with the system. Kono PG o copy shite itadakemasu ka? Can you photocopy these pages? Kaigini okoreso desu. I'm going to be late for the meeting. Watashi no memo o mikakemashita ka? Have you seen side notes? Doa o shemit itadakemasu ka? Can you close the door, please? Omoshiroi idea desun. That's an interesting idea. Sekyusho okyu okuru hitsuyu ga arimasu. We need to send the invoice today. Ashita no tame ni haukokusho o John B. Shinakareba narimaisen. I need to prepare a report for tomorrow. Kono ikuseruhyu o tetsudat itadakemasu ka? Can you help me with this Excel spreadsheet? Kaigiwa ashita ni Enki saremashita. The meeting is postponed until tomorrow. Kaigishitsu o yoyakushimasu. I'm going to book the meeting room. Uriich no keka o mimashita ka? Have you seen the sales results? Desuko o siri shinakareba narimaisen. I need to organize in my desk. Kono ofisu wa samusugimasu. It's too cold in this office. Kaigichu ni memo otot itadakemasu ka? Can you take notes during the meeting? Koko de hatarate gonen ni narimasu. I've been working here for 5 years. Nenji haukokusho o John B. Shuru hitsuyu ga arimasu. We need to prepare the annual report. Yoichinichi mataashita. Have a good day and see you tomorrow. Great work. You've just learned 50 office-related conversations in Japanese with Romeji. Keep practicing these phrases to make your workplace communication smooth and natural. The more you repeat them, the more confident you'll become. See you next time and happy learning!